Hey everybody, it is the last week of April and we're going to head up the next 9 school days prepping for the STAAR. So here is this really great picture, and this is a great PowerPoint. If you're struggling, first of all, use Study Island. You can say I have Study Island here. There's a slide at the beginning of each unit. I'll show you my friends here in first period where their link is. You can see right there, Study Island. You click on that link and it tells you exactly what you need to do. You need to Google Study Island login. Here's how your username, your password, and your benchmark. And we are good to go with that. And then there you go. But you can click on any one of these topics and it will click on it. The other thing is that we want to show you is that here is the STAAR review. And we did today, oops, wrong one. I clicked on the recordings. We did the Newton's Laws quiz. Tomorrow, so these are daily check-in quizzes. These are daily grades. So what you're going to want to do is make sure every day, if you're not here, you complete those, because those are going to be considered daily grades, checking in. But that's what we got going on. And I hope you guys are having an amazing, amazing day, and good luck over the next 9 days. Please feel free to email any of us if you have any questions. We'll see you then. Bye.